Aloha, I'm Stan Cox, Principal Broker and Strategist. These are frequently asked questions about the Tax-Free Cash Growth Warehouse Strategy, brought to you by SCFSIC. This frequently asked question is, can I make extra payments to my policy? And this is a great question. The answer is yes, but there are a couple of restrictions and rules that you must follow in order to do that. First, I want to address why we want to make extra payments, or as we like to refer to them, deposits, and then I'll go over the three basic methods for making those additional deposits. The whole point of having an infinite banking tax-free cash growth warehouse account is to grow your wealth and to be able to use it to self-finance the things that you buy and save the money that you would otherwise pay to interest, fees, and opportunity cost. The way these accounts grow your money is by means of compounding dividend interest that is paid to the cash value of your account. So the more cash value that is in your account, the more dividend interest is paid into it. Clearly then, the more cash you can put into your account, the more compounding dividend interest will be paid to your account by the provider. The more cash value in your account, the more money you have available to use for self-financing the things that you buy. The more that you do that, the more money you save by not paying interest and fees to other people or companies, and the more you save in the way of opportunity cost. If you don't understand opportunity cost, see the short video Answers to Frequently Asked Questions, What is Opportunity Cost? Now, there are a few ways to make extra or unscheduled deposits into your account, and they will add to the cash value of your account. The easiest zero hassle way to make an extra deposit is with an additional premium payment. With whole life insurance policies, you're typically allowed to pay an additional 10% of your total annual premium with no medical exam required. If your annual total premium totals, let's say $10,000, you can simply let your agent or the provider know that you want to add an additional premium payment, and you will be allowed to pay in up to $1,000, which is 10% of $10,000. Most of that will be added to the cash value of your account. Exactly how much will depend on how long you've had the account and how much cash value is already in the account. Either way, to add additional deposits to your account by means of riders, okay, that's the other way to add cash value or add an extra payment to your account. And when an account is properly designed as an infinite banking TFCGW account, it'll already have these riders as part of the policy design. One is paid up additions. The other is annually reducing term. As long as you've had your policy for at least 2 years, you can deposit additional money into your account, cash value, by prepaying the annually reducing term portion. Depending on the provider's requirements, you may need to make that type of payment within a specific window of time. Typically, that window will be from 30 days prior to your policy anniversary date and running to 30 days after. Making additional deposits to your account this way does not require any medical exam, and more than 90% of that payment will be credited to the cash value of your account. Finally, you can add additional paid-up additions. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can increase the scheduled paid-up additions, which has already been designed into your policy, or you can make a one-time, unscheduled payment for paid-up additions that is not designed into your policy. Both methods of paying into paid-up additions will increase the cash value of your account by about 98% of the amount that you pay in. These payments will also increase the face value or death benefit of your policy at the same time. Because paid-up additions increase the amount of insurance of your policy, usually either of those paid-up additions options will require at least a medical questions update and often a new paramedical exam. Now, if you have had a paramedical exam within 1 year of this new paid-up additions, you'll most likely not have to be required to do another paramedical exam. So yes, there are a number of ways that you can make extra payments or deposits to your account. But as mentioned, there are a couple of rules about procedure. And another consideration is the MEC limit. You want to keep the total money paid into your account below the MEC limit, or you will lose the tax-free cash growth advantage. What is the MEC limit? Well, please see our video answers to frequently asked questions. What is a MEC limit? And it varies depending on your policy. Please leave a comment here below or ask a question. And please subscribe to this channel so that you'll be notified when we add more answers to frequently asked questions or other content. And if you haven't yet, do yourself a favor. Watch our free 60-minute video webinar, Become Master of Your Financial World. And in that webinar, you will learn all about the tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy and why infinite banking and the TFCGW strategy is the most powerful finance strategy in history. Click the link below to watch the TFCGW webinar.